going on, guys? Have you ever wondered how to open a coconut with a $1 knife? Today she's gonna teach you how to open a coconut with a $1 knife.
Vietnamese rule.
Vietnamese rule, because she's an independent Vietnamese woman. That's why. So let's cut to the video. Bye.
Welcome to Dansu channel.
Okay, what are you doing?
Opening the coconut.
With
Knife.
a
$1 knife. Bought at Heckin shop.
Vietnamese style. Is this how we do it in Vietnam?
No. We buy it.
No, we don't.
We buy it
You
back
don't
in
do that.
Vietnam.
Yeah, do you want some help?
Oh, I gave up.
No,
No,
give
don't
up.
give
Give
up.
up.
No, you need to chop it strongly with the sharp point.
Right.
Why here?
Like
Here,
right here.
because it's gonna.
No.
Now I've been
Right, you know
Go,
it.
do it.
Okay.
Ah.
Do it.
No, it's your
No.
job, not my job.
Come on. Stop. Oh,
Guilty.
Kiwati.
No.
Come on, Vietnamese power.
2,000 years later.
Yes,
Oh.
Vietnamese woman.
Whoa.
Vietnamese.
Yes.
Woo!
Oh. Got my
Oh.
hole. Ah.
Ooh, she did.
Wow.
Yes, I can.
How's it taste?
Nice play.
See, $1 can work.
$1 knife, guys. $1 knife. See?
Kiến thế thế này.
Who needs a maid when you have
Me?
independent Vietnamese woman that don't need no man? Vietnam power, Vietnam power. Vietnam power. Put the Vietnamese flag on the back. That's it for today. Hope you guys like the video. If you guys like the video, remember to press like, subscribe for more of this independent Vietnamese woman. Because she doesn't have her own channel. Remember to subscribe. And remember to press the bell icon so you get the newest notifications. Okay, see you guys. Bye bye.